Welcome to my channel. Is your Wi-Fi signal weak in certain rooms? A Rockspace Wi-Fi Range Extender can help eliminate dead zones and improve coverage throughout your home. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Rockspace Extender in just 6 simple steps. Let's begin. Step 1. Unbox and plug in the extender. Start by unboxing your Rockspace Wi-Fi Range Extender. Plug the extender into a power outlet near your main router and wait for the power LED indicator to become stable. Step 2. Connect to extender network. On your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings and connect to the default Rockspace extender network that's being broadcast by the device. Step 3. Open the setup page. Launch a web browser and enter re.rockspace.local in the address bar to access the setup wizard. Step 4. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Select your existing Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks and click Next. Step 5. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Type your Wi-Fi password and save the settings. The extender will now connect to your router. Step 6. Move the extender. Once setup is complete, place the extender halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Your Rockspace Wi-Fi Range Extender is now ready to use. That's it. Your Rockspace Wi-Fi Range Extender has been successfully configured. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Wi-Fi and networking tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. For instant help call 1-803-381-0141.